Hello everyone. In the previous class, we started our conversions with the decimal to all the other systems, right? So yeah, in the previous class, we completed decimal to binary numbering system. Now in this class, we will discuss your decimal to octal number system, decimal conversion to the octal, right? So here, let's see first example for this here. So here I'm taking the one example is like 952. Okay, here I'm taking the 952 base 10 equals to how much of base 8? First I'm taking the one example 952 base 10 equals to how much of base 8? Okay, for this you can perform, right? So similarly, like what we performed in the binary number system format, same like that only we are performing, but in this we are taking the octal format. Okay, but in this we are taking the our octal format. Let's see how we are taking. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking the 952. This 952 will be performed by the 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8 and we left a 1. Okay, we left a 1. 15 we have the 15. Again you can write the 8. Okay, left with the 7. Okay, left with the 7 means your 8 sevens are, oh sorry, 8 nines are, right? So here 8 into 119 means you will get the 8 into 119 means you will get the 952. So here nothing will be is there, means you will get the remainder 0, will get the remainder 0. And next again go with the 8, 8 ones are again. Okay, left with the 3, 39. Okay, we had the 39, 8 fours are. Okay, 8 fours are. We left with the 7, left with the 7. So 32, 39, right? 32 and 39. So we have difference between 7. We have the difference between 7. So we have the 7. And next year again is 1 jar. 8. How much we have? 6 we have. And next year go with this 0 and comes to 1 here. Comes to 1 here. If you're converting decimal to octal number system, you'll get like this. Okay, what we given 952 base 10, that is 1670 base 8. Check if it is correct or not. You have to be check this one if it is correct or not in the octal to decimal number system format. Okay, let's see. First see, here I am taking the 1670 base 8 to, you can convert this to 952 base 10. Okay, so means you whatever you are converting, so that is definitely 952 only. Okay, 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, right? Next here 1 into 8 power 3 plus 6 into 8 power 2 plus 7 into 8 power 1. Okay, 7 into 8 power 1 plus 0 into 8 power 0. Okay, 1 into 8 power 3. 8 power 3 means your 512 plus 6 into 8 into 8, 64. Okay, 8 into 8, 64. And place your 7 into 8 plus 0 into 8 power 0, 1. And your into 512. 64 into we have again 6. 384. 7 into we have 8. 56 plus 0. How much we will get your 512 we have and place 384. Okay, 896. Again we have the 56. So we'll get the total 952. So we got the 670 base 8 equals to 952 only base 10. So here this process is correct, right? So we done in the correct manner only without the mistakes. If you done the mistake here, that will not displace our output will be same. If you done here correct manner, yes, it will be displaced. Okay, next example. Okay, take like next another example here. Here I am taking the another example will be like 908. Here I am taking the another example will be 908. Okay, 908 base 10 equals to how much of base 8? How much of base 8? Right, directly here you need to be right. 908. 8 8 1 ja, 8 1 ja, 10 we have, again 8 1 ja, 2 we have, 28. Okay, so here 8 3s are 24, right? Means here we'll get the 4 remainder. 3s are 24, we'll get the 4 remainder. And next go with the 8 again. 8 1 ja, again we'll have the 3, 33. Okay, 33 means 8 4s are, we'll have the 1. 8 4s are 32, we'll have the 1. Again 8 1s are, left the 6, left the 6, 8 0 1. We'll get 908 base 10 equals to 1614 base 8. Okay, so in the previous we got 1670. 1670. Now we got the 1614. So now you can check this one is correct or not. This one is correct or not. Okay, so we are checking this one. See, 1614 base 8 equals to 90810 or not. Okay, this is the question. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3 only. Okay, 1 into 8 power 3 plus 6 into 8 power 2 plus 1 into 8 power 1 plus 0 into, 4 into 8 power 0. Right? 1 into 8 power 3 means 512 plus 6 into 64 plus 8. Okay, 1 into 8 only. Plus here 4 into 1. 512, 6 into 64. Already previous we done. 6 into 64 means here 384 plus 8 and plus 4. Okay, 512. Okay, 512. Right, what we have here? Okay, 512 plus 384. 512 plus 384, and we have the 8 and 4. We have 8 and 4. We got the 908 only. We have the 908 only. Right? Okay, so whatever you done, similarly you got the answer. Okay, so here we took the 908 base 10. We got the 1614 base 8. Yes, this is correct. Okay, and next take the another example. So here I am taking the 7. Okay, another example. Third example, 7 4 5. 7 4 5. Okay, this is the base 10 and you can convert this into base 8. Okay, 7 4 5 8. Okay, so 8 1s are no, right? So then see 8 9s are, 8 9s are 72 means here we'll get the 2 left. Okay, 8 3s are 24, 1 left. Okay, 2 left here, right? So 25. 8 3s are 24. We left the 1. Again 8 1s are, and we left the 1. Sorry, 1, right? So we have the 3. 1 3, right? Again 8 1s are. So we have the 1 3. So how much we have? 5 we have. Sorry. We have 13 minus 8, right? We have 5. Okay. Here you need to be right. The remainder will be 5. And again 8. Again 8 1s are 8. Okay. So here 8 minus 11. How much will get here? Get the 3. Again you can write here 8. 0 1. Okay. What we got here? 745 base 10 equals to 1351 base 8. Now you can check this one into this method, right? 1351 base 8 equals to 745 base 10. 745 base 10, right? 745 base 10. Okay. 1 into 8 power 3 plus 3 into 8 power 2 plus 5 into 8 power 1 plus 1 into 8 power 0. 1 into 512 plus 3 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 1 into 1. 512 plus what we have? 64 into 3 we have 192. Okay, and we have the 8 into 5 40, and we have the 1, right? 512 plus 192 plus 40 plus we have 1. Okay, we'll get the 745. Yes, what we took, same like that only we done. Yes, this is also correct. Okay, 745 base 10 equals to 1351 base 8. Yes, this is the correct format. Means here we done the correct way. Okay, nothing is there any mistake. Okay, so this is octal. Octal examples we are discussing, right? And next here go with the another example. Next year go with the another example. So here I'm taking the big example for this. It right now 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, for this you have to do. So this is our I think fourth example. Okay, fourth example. Base 10 equals to how much of base 8? How much of base 8? 6. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and then do here 8. 8. Okay, 8 3s are. Okay, how much of 8 3s are? 24. But here we have the only 23. Means here 8 2s are you have to be take. Okay, 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay, we left with this 7. 74 we have. Okay, 74 means your 8 9s are. Again we left the 2. 25. Okay, 8 3s are. We left the 1. 16. 8 2s are 16. 7 we have. No, nothing. 8 9s are again 72. So we'll get this 6. 69. Okay, so we have the 69. Okay, so 8 8s are. Okay, we'll get like 8 8s are 64 means here we'll get 5 left. Okay, we have the 5 left. And next year, so carefully we need to be do, otherwise we'll get the some confusion. Okay, so again 8 4s are 32, not means here 8 3s are 24. Okay, 29, right? We have 29 and we got 24 means here 5 left. So how much we have? 50. 53 we have. 53 means your 8 6 ja. Okay, 8 6 ja 48 means here we'll get the again 5. 52 we have. So again we need 48 only. 52. 52 means here we'll get like 4. Okay, 49. Again we have the 49. 49 means here again we have the 6 only. Again we left 1. 8. 8 2s are 16. So we left 2. 8. Okay, 8 4s are 32. So how much we have? 32 means here 4. 46 we have. 46. Okay, 8 6 the 48. So means here nothing. 8 5 are 6. Again we left this 6. Okay, see here. Sorry. Here I think I confused like. Okay, 8 4s are. 8 4s are how much we got? 32. 4 left. One second. 8 4s are 32. Yes, we have the 4 left. 46 we have. So 46 means here how much we have? 46. 46 for here 8 5s are 40. Again we left the 6. Means here we did like 36 for this. Here we completed. Again we added 6 and we left with the 46 means here we have the 40. Again we 66 we have at present. So 66 means here 8 8 64 we will get. Okay, we'll get the 22. Okay, so 8 2s are 16. So we'll get like 6 again. Okay, so what we have 22 and 16, right? So we'll get the 6 here. And next here 8. 8 5s are 40. We left 5. 58. 58 means here 8 7s are. Okay, 56. Again we left 2. 22. 22 means here 8 2s are. Again we left the 6. Okay, again we have the 8. Again we have the 8. So 8 7s are 56. Left the 1. Okay, 8 1s are. Okay, 12 we have, right? So 8 1s are 8. We left the 4. We left the 4. 8. Okay, 8 9s are. No, 8 into 8. 64 will get. Okay, so here what we have? 64 and 71, right? So we'll get the 7. 8 8s are. Okay. And next here go with this 8 1s are 8. We'll get the 0. 8 1s are 8. We'll get the 0. Right? Go with this. And your 0 and this is 1. So means here we got 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 means here 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 means we got base 10 equals to 1074662 base 8. So now we will see if this one is correct or not. Now we will see this. Okay, so if this correct, yes, we done in the correct manner. Okay, so then go this is reverse. 10746625 base base 8 equals to how much of base 10. Okay, power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6, power 7. Yes, this is the lakhs. Okay, 1 into 8 power 7. Okay, 1 into 8 power 7 plus 0 into 8 power 6 plus 7 into 8 power 5, 4 into 8 power 4, 6 into 8 power 3, 6 into 8 power 2, 2 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0. 8 power 0. Right? 8 power 7 we have. Okay. So we'll get like to close something. 2097152 into 1 only, right? We have 1 only. Plus your 0. 0 only will get. 7 into 5 times. Okay. 32,768. And next year we have 4 into 4 times. 4096. Okay. And plus your 6 into 3 times your 512. And 6 into 64 plus 2 into 8 plus 5 into 1. Like this we'll get that. Okay, so your 1 into something means your 2097152 only. 2097152. 2097152 only. Plus your what we have your 0. 7 into what we have? 7 into 32,768. Okay, so we'll get the 2,29,376. 376. And next year what we have? 4 into 4,096. 4 into 4,096 we have 16,384. 16,384 will get. Okay, and next year what we have? 6 into 512. Okay, 6 into 512 will get the 6 into 512, right? 3072. 3072 plus. Okay, and next year what we have? 64 into 6. 64 into 6 means your 384. Okay, and next year what we have? 2 into 8, 16. And next we have 5 into 1, 5. Okay, for this you can calculate. 2097 152 plus 2,29,376. And next year we have again 16,384 plus 3072 plus 384 plus 16 plus 5. Okay, I think we done some mistake in some place. We got the 2, 3, 4 correct, but after we don't have a 5. 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9. We got like this. So what we took here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got mistake in the, okay, first 2, 3, 4 is correct. Okay, and 7, 8, 8, 9 is correct. And in between we left 5, and here into we get this 7. So that is the mistake. So once you have to check where we did the mistake. 1 into 8 power 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1 into 8 power 7, 0 into 8 power 6, 7 into 8 power 5, 4 into 8 power 4, 6 into 8 power 3, 6 into 8 power square, 2 into 8 power 1, 5 into 8 power 0. Yes, it is correct only. Okay, so first we need to check this one. If this one is correct, we will get the correct answer. If this one is wrong, we'll get a wrong answer only, right? So just see 29, 32, 98. So how much here? Into 8. Into 8. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 384. Okay. plus here we have the 5. 2, 3, 4, 6, 389. So here only we done the some mistake. See this. First here only we did the mistake here. So once we need to be check this one. So means here 23, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2932. So here, sorry, here we got the 0. So that is a mistake for us. Okay, so here we'll get the 0. That is a mistake. So that's what here we got like this wrong answer. So we'll do again. So we'll get the correct output. Okay, and here what we have again, 3,662. Okay, 3,662 into 8. So 293, 296. So means here suppose we done plus 2. 298. 293, 290. Yes. Okay, see this. We'll get 293, 2096. Okay, 293, 2096. 8. 266,512. We'll get the 266 here. 512 will get. We'll get the 512. So directly we are getting. So means here we'll get the 0 here. Okay. And next here we have 366,512 divided by 8. 4564. Okay, so here also we'll get the 0. Okay. Right. And next here we have 4564 divided by 8. 57. 1 second. So see here 8 5 45, right? 8 5s are. Okay. Sorry. 8 5s are 40 means here we left the 5. 8 5s are 40. We left the 5. 56 we have. Okay. So what we have 56. Okay. 8 into 8. Sorry. 8 into 7. 56. Correctly we'll get the 7. And we have the 4. So 4 will be directly nothing is there, right? See here. 57 into 8. How much will get? 456. Okay. But here 4 will be nothing. You need to be take like some point of 0 like this. Okay. So means here directly you can write the 4 here. So we'll get. Okay. We'll get the 456. Okay. 456. We have 4. We have the 4. Okay, means here this long answer means here very difficult. Okay, so once you have to be checked like this, you also check like. Okay, so here 57. Okay, so once we need to be write the 4,500 means you will get the 570. Okay, 570 into 8 means here 4560 will get the 4 570 here you need to be right. And next here we have the 578 means your 71 will get like see this how much means here we'll get like 8 8 sevens are 56, right? 56 means here we'll get 1 10 8 ones are 2 will get here. Okay, so 8 8 are 64. Okay, 64 minus 71 means here yes we'll get this 7 only. So this is correct. Okay, so means here we did your only mistake. So that's what here we got like this 1072 1072 400 5. So this is the answer. So now we need to be do for this. Okay, now we need to be do for this. 1072 4 005. For this we need to be do. So we'll see if now it is also correct or not. Okay, base 8, find the base 10. Okay, so when we are taking the big values, same will get the confusion only. So don't okay, don't be take it is like one mistake. Okay, so just when we are taking the big values, we'll get the confusion only. So suppose you are taking simple values, means here that is easy, like 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, 8 power 4, 8 power 5, 8 power 6 and 8 power 7. 1 into 8 power 7, 0 into 8 power 6, 7 into 8 power 4, 2 into, sorry, here 5, 7 into 8 power 5, 2 into 8 power 4, 4 into 8 power 3, plus 0 into 8 power 2, plus 0 into 8 power 1, plus 5 into 8 power 0. We'll see now we will get or not. Okay, 1 into 8 power 7 means here what we have, 2971. Okay, and 5 2. So this is almost 0 only. And 7 into 8 power 5 means here what we have, 32,076,768. Okay, and next here we have the plus 2 into 8 power 4, 4096. Power 8 power 4 means here 4096. Okay, plus we have 4 into 5 and 2, plus 0, plus 0, 5 into 1. Okay, 2097,152 plus 32,768 into 7, 2,29,376 plus 4096 into 2, 8192 plus 512 into 4, 2048 plus 5. Okay, so for this here you can write. Okay, so what we have, 2971 and 52 plus 2,29,376 plus 8192 plus 2048, okay, plus 5. So now also we got the different answer only, 2336773, 2336773. So we took like 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is only near, right? Okay, see, so why here I'm taking the big example means, right? Okay, so just you can take the simple examples. So here we didn't get the correct answer, right? So just you have to be take these simple examples you can solve. If you're taking the big values, you will get this, some confusion will be like this. So why here I'm telling you to now big example means here, yes, me only done here mistake. If you're doing, so you also done the mistake, right? So just take the simple examples here, like why here I'm telling means someone will get doubt. Okay, why she is saying like only simple examples, why she is not taking the big examples? Okay, when we are taking the big examples, we will get the more time and more performance also. So if it is not showing the correct answers also, okay, so means you have to work for half an hour or 1 hour for this, we'll get in that time. Okay, so if you need, you can solve this one. Okay, suppose you see here I'm taking the one simple example again, so we'll get easily, you only understand that one. Okay, so here I'm taking the 2, 3, 4. Base 10 equals to how much of base 8? Here I will take simple example. See this. 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, 8 3 is 24, but here we don't write. So here 8 to the 16. So we have 74. Okay, 74 means here 8 7 the, okay, sorry, what we have 74, right? So 8 9 we have. Okay, 8 9 means here we'll get the 2. 29. Okay, 8 3s are 24. 24 means here we have again 5. Okay, so nothing will be there, so we'll not get anything. So means your 8 0 3. Okay, 2 3 4 base 10 equals to 3 5 2 base 8. Now we need to be convert this one. 3 5 2 base 8 equals to 2 3 4 base 10. Okay, need to be convert. 3 into 8 power 2 plus 5 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power 0. 3 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 2 into 1. Okay, 64 into 3. 64 into 3. 192, 42. Okay, 192 plus 40 plus 2. 2 3 4. Base 10. Yes. See this? What we took? That is only okay. Right? So whatever you are taking, that is very simple format. Okay, so if you are taking the simple digit 3 to 4, yes, you can. If you are taking the more examples, means you will get the confusion only. See this? Before we did. Okay, so totally we did like confusion manner. Okay, once you have to check that one. Okay, again here I am taking the simple example for this. 4 I will take. 5 6 7 8. Here I am taking the 5 6 7 8 base 10 equal to, you can convert this one into base 8. Okay, so here 5 6 7 8 8. Okay, so how much here? You can take 8 into 56. Okay, 8 7s are 56. Okay, and we have this 78. 8 9s are 72. Okay, 72 means here we'll get the 6. We'll get this 6. And again we have 72 only. 72 means here 8 9s are 72. So we'll get 7. Again 8 1s are 8. Okay, we'll have the 1. Okay, again 8 0 and 1. 8 0 and 1. We'll get 1176 base 8. Now we need to be converted into 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 into 8 power 3 plus 1 into 8 power 2, 7 into 8 power 1, 6 into 8 power 0, 5 1 2 64. Okay, 7 into 8 means you're 56 6. Okay, 5 1 2 plus 64 plus 56 plus 6. Sorry, what we took here? 5 6 7 8, right? So we need to be get the 5 6 7 8 now. So here we did some mistake in this example. So means here we'll get 709, I think. Okay, 709 into 8. 5 6 7 2. Yes, here we'll get the 709. We'll get the 709. Okay, so and okay, 9. Okay, so 70. 70 means here 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 means here we'll get the 6. Okay, 8 8 ja 64 means we'll get 6. 69 again. 8 8 ja 64. Again we'll get the 5 here. Okay, 8 1 ja 8 1 ja. Okay, 8 11 ja 88. 0 will get. Okay, again here 8 1 ja 8. Okay, 8 1 ja 8 and we'll left the 3. Okay, what we got here, 13056. Okay, so means your 8 power 4 up to 8 power 4 will get 1 into 8 power 4 plus 3 into 8 power 2 plus 7 into plus 0 into 8 power 2, 5 into 8 power 1 plus 6 into 8 power 0. So 8 power 4 means your 512 into 8 means here 4096 plus 3 into 8 power 3 means here 512 plus 0 plus 8 5 okay, 5 into 8 and 6 into 1, 4096 plus 3 into 512, 512 into 3, 1536 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, see this 4096 plus 1536, 40 plus 6, 5678. Yes, we got. Okay, base 10. So what we took here, same. So suppose you are did the mistake in this, here you will get the confusion only. So once everyone check this one, so in the before here we did this some mistake in this. Okay, so here will not okay, so it may be it will be take some more time to get the some answer. So just you have to be check this one, you will get. Okay, so here we are getting the some similar problem. Okay, so once you have to be check this one. Thank you.